Another method of splitting the walls into each individual walls rather than uh, creating it, deleting it, and recreating the whole wall. So basically, I have stretched from one end to the last end as a beginner's mistake. So I will have to use the split tool to modify and correct this mistake. So the whole line is one wall and it's grouped together. So I have to separate it, cut it to the edge of the column. So now we need to go to level 1. Let's go to floor plan. You can use the shader or wireframe display, graphics display. Then now we're going to use the split elements tool. Here we're going to first we need a reference line, so we need to place a reference line, use a model line, place some two lines for us to cut the wall. Here is, you can see it's a one whole stretch of the wall. Now go to modify, use the split tool, split element, select this line as it's highlighted inside the wall, and select this line which is highlighted inside the wall. We go back to it and make sure it's inside the wall. Click escape twice. Now when you select this wall, delete. Now you can see the column is full column now. It's the full structure. The wall has been cut until the edge of the wall where we have the reference line. So let's delete the model line. Now here we also need to break this wall into two separate walls. We're going to use the edges of the column as our reference. So select architecture, model line, create one line just for reference, another line for reference, extending about away from the column. Now let's go to modify, select the split element, select this. Once it's go inside, first break. Now the second element here we need to select, enter. Once it's highlighted in blue, let's cut it, enter, escape. Now when you select this wall that is embedded into the column, just delete it. Now the wall has been cut into a separate wall. So now we have cut from this end of the column to this end of the column. So now let's delete the model line. Now we're going to cut this wall until the end, same. Let's do the, go to architecture, draw in a model line for our reference, create another one at the other end, select split tool, select the model line as our reference, make sure it's highlighted, again, delete splitting tool, select the other edge, click escape twice, select the object that we have cut, delete it. Now delete the model line reference. Now we're going to cut the last part of the wall which has been extended until the corner of the column. So again, let's use a model line as our reference. Now we only need to create one line because we're cutting it at this edge. So we go to modify, split, select this line, make sure it's highlighted, then select again. You have to click twice, make sure it's cut, click escape twice, select the cut portion, the one we have to delete, erase the reference line. Now when we go to the 3D view, which is on the other side, we have to look on the other side. So now you can see the column face has been shown. Last time If this is the whole wall, you will see all the green color. So now let's separate one wall from this side, one wall from this side, and one wall from this side. Now we are also going to adjust the height. There's two methods of doing. One is using the join command. Select join, geometry, select all, select the view, and select the wall. So now you see that the line has disappeared on top of the view, but still still protruding up to the point or up to the view level. So now let's select this wall. Let's set negative 600 as the view depth is 600. Apply. Click. Now let's detach the wall from the top base. Click save. Then save. Now when we look at it, it's still negative 600 from the top offset. So now we have lowered down the wall height into 4,400. Let's have a look in the section. Some section here. See the height of the wall is still here. The wall height is up to the bottom of the view, while this one is up to the top of the slab. So that's how to adjust using the join geometry to adjust the wall height. So here we're going to use a different one, negative 600 plus 50. Here also negative 600. So that is how to adjust and cut the joint walls, to modify the walls into different sub-elements or different wall elements, so later on you can place or paint or change the property for each wall element. This is the proper way of it to be constructed, so we just have to follow the same procedure when we model the wall and the structures.